Want to download Roblox Studio on mobile but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to download Roblox Studio on mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening a browser and head over to roblox.com. Make sure you log into your account. Next, tap on Create. You'll be guided to the Created page where you can see the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Then click on the desktop side from the options. Now you have the access to the Roblox Studio. In order to make it easy to access, you can add it to the home screen. Tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Next, tap on the Add to Home Screen button. You can change the name if you want to and then tap on the Install button. And that's how you can download Roblox Studio on mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.